In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a buyer on eBay. This is an essential skill for any eBay seller, especially if you're dealing with repeat issues from problematic buyers. Maybe you've encountered a scenario where a buyer repeatedly refuses to pay, continually leaves negative feedback without cause, or is otherwise disruptive to your selling experience. Not to worry, by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in taking control of your selling environment by blocking those users. First, you'll need to navigate to your eBay account settings. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your selling and buying experience on eBay. Once you've logged into your account, look over to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Account Settings link. From the Settings menu, find the option labeled Blocked Buyer List. Selecting this will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage who gets the privilege to interact with your listings. When you arrive at the Blocked Buyer List page, you'll see a field specifically designed for you to enter usernames. It's important to have the exact eBay username of the buyer you wish to block. Typos or incorrect usernames could mean that the problematic buyer remains unblocked. So double-check the buyer's username from past interactions or communications to ensure accuracy. Once you've carefully entered the buyer's username into the field, it's time to confirm your actions. Look for the Submit button, which is usually located right below the text field. Clicking on Submit will activate your command to add the buyer to your blocked list. Think of it as the final seal. You're effectively controlling your selling experience by specifying who gets to buy from you. Now that you've submitted the username, this buyer is officially blocked from making future purchases from you. This not only alleviates unnecessary stress, but also improves your overall selling experience by ensuring that only buyers who meet your criteria can purchase your items. They won't be able to interact with your listings or place any bids on items you have for sale. Keep in mind, if circumstances change and you ever wish to unblock a buyer, you can return to this same list and simply remove their username. It's a flexible tool that adapts to your selling needs over time. By following these straightforward steps, you can maintain a positive and secure eBay selling environment. Remember, while most of your transactions on eBay will be smooth and hassle-free, having the ability to block troublesome buyers is an important skill. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you feel more empowered in your eBay journey. Happy selling!